them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.